So the project started down in the science hall, and they were looking at cell developments and using the merge cube and building a cell that they were going to be patented and defending. They went up to the English, where they did a little bit of reading on Henrietta Lacks. They read about her, and then from there they came into the web design class, where we looked at copyright, intellectual property, how it applies to digital media. They then traveled down to Miss Mitchell's room in marketing and listened to an attorney who actually had some stuff patented and the process for patenting an idea. Once they traveled through these 4 Future Ready Institute classes, the students then were able to prepare their cell that they created in science. They were able to write about it, debate whether it was for society or if they're going to be an entrepreneur with it. And then from there we went to a courthouse, and that was our kind of our big ending to this whole project, was a trip to the Ray County Courthouse.
Another point that we have is scientists and doctors have gained more knowledge and experience from using Hela cells for experiments.
To help people afford the medication.
What kind of people are you helping?
Third world country, sick people, poor people.
So typically people with lower income, correct?
Because we would have said yes. All they wanted was to know what was going on. So if you really think about it, if you provide the cell, are you the one doing the research?
Pharmaceutical companies put this risk on the line. Okay, so we have $2.6 billion.
We're putting second on the board with things they can't afford.
If this is a cell line we're talking about, it can be patented as an invention. And if you don't patent it, then someone else very may will.
All right, so now our jury needs to deliberate, is that correct?
That it would add money to the 2.6. I don't really see where Dylan got the fact that it would take away money. So I disagreed with that point. So I agree with Zoe's rebuttal, and I don't get Dylan's rebuttal to the rebuttal. However, Dylan did really come out with some strong points at the beginning.
Yeah, like he had good points, and then the society just had better evidence and background knowledge. Like if it was someone that didn't know, they would have persuaded them because they got all the knowledge, background knowledge to give information.
Audio good. You're not giving me any response, so I don't know what you're saying. I'm Aaron Jerd, and I'm a student at Soddy Daisy High School. I definitely like this experience. I got to see what an actual courtroom looks like. I got to see how a court works, and just like the experience of everything. Like I'm sitting in a judge's chair right now. That's like, it's pretty cool to me. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite part of this.
My favorite part was probably the merge cube. It was really cool to actually see what you could do with your coding.
One of my favorite parts was just writing the debate because I had fun just writing it out and thinking of rebuttals.
I learned how to be a good public speaker and how to speak clearly.
Definitely public speaking and like how debating works and stuff like that.
And just like how to organize data more.
I think I've learned how to gather research better. That was one thing that I'm still not great at gathering research, but I think that this really, you have to get good evidence, you have to be able to, and also just being able to present in a good way that makes sense to everyone. Sometimes that's something I struggle with, and I definitely got a better hold on that with this.
I think that from the standpoint of learning, just teachers from a whole bunch of different subjects coming together to make one project definitely works better than just individual classroom projects, because in the long run you end up learning more about specific things for that subject and everything that is involved with that. So I definitely like having a project that is in multiple classrooms.
And since you're sitting in a judge chair, if you were on a courtroom reality TV show, what would your big judge name be?
Judge Jerd.